How to make a stand and please donate in Roblox Mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim a stand and also create game passes so that you can accept donations on your stand and please donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we need to exit please donate if we have it open and just go back to the main page of the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. Once you see the bottom menu here, select more. And then just scroll until you see Create, select Create. Once in Create, select the menu button to the left of Home, and then select Creations, and then just find your place and select your place. By default, all Roblox users have a place, so just select it till it opens. And then once you are on your place, select the three lines to the left of Creations, then select Monetization, and then Passes. So once in Passes, scroll down and select Create a Pass, and this is going to be the actual donation button that is on our stand. And in here, all we need to do is give it a name, and this will show up when people donate. So just give it something good and that follows the TOS of Roblox. Once you give it a name, you can give it a description if you want to, but you don't have to. Go ahead and select Create Pass at the bottom. It'll bring you back to the list of game passes you've created. And now all we need to do, if I scroll to the right, you'll see that it currently is off sale. Now we can change that by selecting the actual game pass we created. And then once in the Game Pass settings here, select the three lines in the top left again, and then select Sales. So now we need to first mark the item as for sale, and then give it a price. And this is how much we want to receive in donations for this Game Pass. Keep in mind, Roblox keeps 30%, so you're only going to get 70% of this. So if you do 100, you'll only get 70 Robux. So I'm going to just do 99 so that you can easily see that this is the one we made. I'm going to turn off regional pricing just because it's easier. And then I'll select Save Changes. So now that it says Pass updated successfully, you can go back and create as many game passes as you want so that they all show up on your stand. But we're done. We can select the X. And now when we go back home and open up Please Donate, to make our stand, the first thing we need to do is go up to an unclaimed stand, and it'll kind of point us into the direction of one. And when you see stand, all you need to do is hold down on it and it'll claim it. So you can see the game pass we just created up. So now we now have a stand that has donation buttons on it. You can edit the stand, such as the look of it or text on it, by going back up to the stand until you see edit, hold down on that. And then in here, you can change the text, the font, different colors. You can also change the booth if you want to. And most of these require different things to be able to do it, but you can change it in here if you wanted to. Now, if your text isn't showing up, you have to go through an age verification with Roblox. So go through that and then check the description. I have a tutorial on how to fix that after you've gone through the age verification. So that's how you make a stand and please donate. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.